How to effortlessly build $1 million business. Most business owners have two primary goals in mind when they start their own business. They want to make more money and they want to build an asset that will enable them to sell their business when they retire and live an extraordinary lifestyle. Building a lucrative asset is dependent on the amount of revenue the business is producing at the time of its sale. If a business produces $1 million in revenue on an annual basis, that business can typically be sold for somewhere between $5 million to $15 million depending on the business and the industry. That's why all small business owners dream of the day when their business finally hits that elusive $1 million revenue mark. Unfortunately, their lack of marketing styles and strategies prevents them from making the money they originally envisioned. Less than 3% of small business owners make more than $100,000 annually, and less than 1/2% ever reach $1 million in total revenue. If you factor in a 30% profit margin, even when you make $1 million in revenue, that only translates into an actual income of $300,000, and a big chunk of that goes to taxes. That's not much more than the business owner was making when they worked a regular job and didn't have all the worries and the headaches they have now. And remember, that's the top 1/2% of all wage earners. Most small business owners make far less than that and have no clue how to make things better. But here's the really depressing part. Remember that asset they want to build? Most small business revenue relies on the owner remaining a fixture in the business. When the dentist retires, who continues to service their patients? No one, and the income dries up. The only thing the dentist can actually sell is their office and equipment, which typically are leased or have depreciated by 85% and therefore virtually worthless. They do have their patient database that a new dentist can purchase and market to, but most patients have a personal relationship established with their dentist. There is absolutely no guarantee that any of these patients will remain with the new dentist. Many of these current patients will seek personal referrals from their friends, family, or neighbors and then move on to a new dentist. This same situation applies to doctors, attorneys, financial planners, accountants, home builders, remodelers, massage therapists, business coaches, consultants, and so on. If a business owner is working with a consultant and that consultant suddenly retires, that business owner will never have the same level of trust and respect with someone taking over that consulting practice. Successful businesses establish a personal rapport and relationship with their customers and clients. When the business owner leaves the business, the asset they may have spent their entire life working to build is often worthless. So, the business owner's initial goals of making more money and building an asset are literally doomed from the start. But it doesn't have to be that way. We have discovered a solution that can restore both dreams of making more money and building a lucrative asset to every small business owner on the planet. This short presentation will explain it to you in detail and then provide you with the means to apply this solution to your own small business. The end result is an immediate increase in your cash flow. A business that generates annual revenue of $1 million or more, and the creation of an instant asset that you can sell for millions of dollars more whenever you choose. Here's what you need to know. We have created a state of art, one of a kind e-learning system that contains all the tools, resources, templates, strategies, tactics, and world-class video training to help your business grow to multi-million dollar proportions. Let's begin by discussing why it's so difficult to build $1 million business. Take your total net revenue produced last year. Divide that figure by 2080. 2080 are the average number of hours in a typical work year. Let's say you are a solo professional and your net revenue last year was $75,000. That places you in the top 10% of all wage earners worldwide. If you divide $75,000 by 2080 hours, that equals $36 per hour. If you want to reach $1 million in revenue doing what you are doing right now, you need to increase your annual work hours to 27,778 hours. Unfortunately for you, if you work 24 hours every day, 7 days every week, non-stop over an entire year, that 27,778 hours you need to work equals 3 times more hours than are available in that entire 1 year period. So obviously, you are never going to build $1 million business doing what you are doing right now. Think about the limitations small business owners place on themselves. Even professionals such as chiropractors, attorneys, dentists, financial planners, CPAs, consultants, and so on charge on average anywhere between $75 per hour up to $200 per hour. Consider the top of the scale. $200 per hour times 2080 work hours per year equals just $416,000. You are still not even halfway to your goal of $1 million per year. And those who charge $200 per hour are in the top 1/10 of 1% of all earners. So we are talking the cream of the crop in this example. Can you see why it's so difficult to build $1 million business? Much less a multi-million dollar business. Now consider this. If you sell a product or service for $100, you need to sell 10,000 units to reach $1 million. However, to sell 10,000 units of anything, that will require you to use mass marketing, and what would that cost you? The cost would be enormous. Also, could you even begin to handle the workload and the logistics involved in servicing and fulfilling 10,000 units by yourself? You would have to constantly be on the phone, selling, answering questions and objections, filling out order forms, physically packing and shipping the products, handling complaints and refunds, and on and on. Obviously, there's no way on earth you could handle 10,000 units by yourself, which now means you need to hire staff to help you run your business. Staff must be paid, and that pay comes right out of your $1 million in revenue. So now you must sell a lot more than 10,000 units to remain at $1 million net, and the cycle starts all over again. However, if you sell a product or service for $1,000, now you need to sell just 1,000 units. That's much more manageable. But even at 1,000 units, you will still need some staff to assist you with all the logistics and orders. But what if you sell a product or service for $10,000? Now you only need to sell 100 units. That's less than 2 units per week, and you could easily handle all the logistics yourself, including sales and marketing. Now, I'm sure you're thinking that selling a product or service for $10,000 is easier said than done. After all, if you are a chiropractor, an accountant, a dentist, or a consultant, what could you possibly sell that would be worth $10,000? A chiropractor, for example, typically charges $50 to $75 per office visit for an adjustment or treatment. They would have to treat 20,000 patients every year to hit $1 million. And that doesn't take into consideration any of their expenses such as office, equipment, or staff. And treating 20,000 patients per year means they would have to see 80 patients every day by themselves. A nearly impossible task. Now, if they want to invest $100,000 and buy a state-of-art spinal decompression machine, they can sell a package of treatments for $6,000 to $8,000. That's getting closer to that $10,000 per unit sale, isn't it? Unfortunately, that does require that $100,000 upfront investment in order to produce that higher revenue. This example begins to highlight the true value of our e-learning system. Let me give you a real life case study to explain this to you. Several years ago, a chiropractor called us and said he was doing okay in his practice and was making around $250,000 per year. That's a very good income for a chiropractor, since most of them fail to top $100,000 per year. He told us he wanted to double his business and hit $500,000 per year. We asked the doctor how many hours per week he was currently working, and he said 40. We told him that doubling his business would be a snap. All he had to do was begin working 80 hours each week. He laughed and said he didn't want to work additional hours. At which point we told him he had no choice but to do that. He's a chiropractor, and chiropractors trade time for money. So do attorneys, accountants, CPAs, dentists, consultants, and so on. No one on the chiropractor's staff is licensed to treat patients except the doctor. So, if the doctor doesn't provide the treatments and adjustment, he doesn't get paid. He asked us if he had any other options. We said, of course, you do, doctor, but here's what it will take. You must stop trading your time for dollars and learn how to create a process that you can leverage for the rest of your life. By creating a process, you can then license that process to others in your field without spending any additional time, effort, energy, or expense. You must stop being a chiropractor and start becoming a marketer of your chiropractic services. In other words, you must assume the role of a marketer for your practice and learn how to generate a massive number of leads and patients for your practice. And then turn those patients over to other chiropractors you hire and bring into your practice, and take a percentage of their revenue for you providing them with their patients. That's how you build a $1 million business. He hired us on the spot to help him do this. And within 6 months, he had 6 additional chiropractors working for him and was making $500,000 per year. And since he still loved treating patients, he was able to continue to work 20 hours every week as a chiropractor. Okay, so now he's built a practice worth $500,000. Let me ask you a question. Do you think other chiropractors would like to make $500,000 every year? But like this doctor, when he first contacted us, do you think any of these other chiropractors know or understand the process involved to accomplish this feat? And yet, our chiropractor now has a proven and tested process that will produce these exact same results for every other chiropractor that follows this process. You may be wondering how this chiropractor doubled his revenue in only 6 months. Well, here's how we did it. First, we very carefully identified his ideal clients for all the conditions he treated, such as back pain, carpal tunnel, fibromyalgia, and so on. We then segregated his patients into these individual niche markets. Next, we mapped out the decision-making process for each of these niche markets. And once we knew and understood their hot button issues, we looked for the ways to innovate his practice and add value at every step in the patient experience. Those innovations brought in more patients and allowed this doctor to charge more than his competitors. It also made his practice much more attractive to the additional chiropractors he wanted to bring on board. After all, most chiropractors hate marketing. It's the worst part of their job. They love to treat patients, not hunt down prospects all day long. This chiropractor allowed his other doctors to focus on what they loved, while he focused on supplying them with all the patients they could handle, with him taking a percentage of the profits for every patient they treated. After we mapped out the decision making process for the various niche markets. We then created targeted and compelling messaging that we could roll out in various formats such as elevator pitches, unique selling propositions, direct mail, email, brochures, flyers, postcards, websites, and landing pages. We developed all of this in the form of marketing collateral. We even created radio and TV ads for each of his major conditions. We developed compelling reports that positioned this doctor and his practice in a league all their own and offered those reports as compelling offers for lead generation purposes. We would send prospects to specifically targeted landing pages where we could communicate to that specific niche market in language they could relate to, since it was laser targeted to their specific hot button issues. But best of all, once all of this was created, this chiropractor simply followed a preset marketing plan we created and basically put everything on autopilot. Then he went back to treating his own patients 20 hours per week and spent the remaining time marketing his practice and flooding his other chiropractors with more patients than they could handle. But stop for a moment and consider this question. What would it take for you to duplicate this process for your own business? Well, you would need complete access to all the tools, resources, templates, strategies, tactics, and world-class video training that we use to create all of this for this chiropractor. That's why we created the e-learning system to give you VIP access to everything you need as a small business owner to do all of this for yourself and in the process build your own $1 million business. The process to identify your ideal client is in your e-learning system. How to select the proper niche markets is in your e-learning system. How to map out their decision making process and how to innovate your business is in your e-learning system. How to create compelling messaging such as elevator pitches, unique selling propositions, direct mail, email, brochures, flyers, postcards, websites, landing pages, as well as radio and TV ads are all in your e-learning system. In short, your e-learning system is there to help you build a $1 million business. But wait, in our example, our chiropractor had only made it to $500,000, right? Not any longer. You see, once all of this was developed, he had now created a state-of-art chiropractic marketing program that will work for any chiropractor that applies it to their practice. So, suppose the chiropractor took all of his marketing collateral and placed it online, just like we have done. In other words, what if he created his own e-learning system for the chiropractors? And suppose he offered to license it to other chiropractors for $10,000 each, plus a monthly licensing fee of $397. And suppose he offered to license it to other chiropractors for $10,000 each, plus a monthly licensing fee of $397. Think for a moment. If you are a struggling chiropractor that hated marketing and was looking for a turnkey approach to marketing your practice, generating more leads and attracting more patients, would it be worth a one-time investment of $10,000 to create a practice that rakes in $500,000 per year? Kind of a no-brainer, isn't it? And that additional $397 monthly licensing fee the chiropractor collects continues into perpetuity. Imagine this chiropractor after selling just 100 marketing licenses, which by the way he could realistically accomplish by hosting a single 1-hour webinar presentation to a group of his fellow chiropractors. That 1-hour webinar and the resulting 100 licenses would net this doctor $1 million in upfront revenue, and the additional $397 monthly fee creates a passive secondary monthly income of almost $40,000. That's almost $500,000 every year in passive revenue. and that's for just 100 sales. Did you know there are more than 65,000 chiropractors in the US alone? How hard do you think it would be for this chiropractor to sell just 100 of these licenses? Are you starting to see the bigger picture here? Now, how did this chiropractor learn this licensing strategy and the process to follow to execute this strategy flawlessly? Well, it's all in our e-learning system. Everything is there. We have left nothing out. We want to give you total and complete VIP access to every tool, resource, template, strategy, tactics, and training video we have used over 30 years to help businesses like yours reach that elusive $1 million revenue goal. A goal that only 4% of all businesses worldwide ever attain. We have invested more than $2 million creating, developing and producing this program. All of it available to you for a paltry $97 per month. So the key is this. As a small business owner, you must learn how to effectively market your business and expand your offerings to include higher priced products and services. Then, once you find your success equation, so to speak, you can turn right around and license that process to others in your field. Our e-learning system has everything you need to do all of this. We first help you develop your systems and processes to generate a lucrative income and then create a program that you can license to others for a much higher price with a passive residual income for life. And as a bonus, never forget that when you have the ability to license your process, that alone creates a sellable asset in the future. As an example, let's say our chiropractor is content with selling just 100 licenses per year over his first 5 years, and then he decides to retire and move to Hawaii and enjoy the jet set lifestyle he has dreamed of for himself, his wife and his kids. Over those 5 years, his 100 sales per year have netted him $5 million in upfront cash flow, and he is now generating $200,000 per month in passive revenue. He is now making $2.4 million every year in just his monthly licensing fees. Even if he never sells any other license again, he can easily sell his licensing business for a minimum of $10 million. That's not too bad a rate of return for investing a few months of time and effort to create a winning sales process. Wouldn't you agree? Now, you know why we created the e-learning system and the tremendous opportunity you now have to grow your business to that elusive $1 million level and beyond. And perhaps you can now see why so many of today's top marketers have called this program the single most powerful client attraction and revenue generating program available today. So now you're probably thinking to yourself that all of this just sounds too good to be true. So why don't I prove it to you? And I'll do it at a massive discount. I will prove to you this is everything I just said it is and more by putting a large sum of money directly into your pocket. You see, I have worked with thousands of business owners all over the world, and we have discovered that none of them are applying some very simple and easy marketing strategies that can unleash tens of thousands of dollars in hidden revenue in just a matter of minutes. All you have to do is spend a few minutes applying the information I'll show you, and I'll find you a minimum of $10,000 hidden in your business. In fact, let me take this one step further. The information in the videos is based on the proprietary tools and resources we use to help our clients around the world to dominate their market. Let me give you complete and unrestricted access to all of these tools and resources so you can immediately begin to pocket that hidden revenue. Those resources are located inside my online e-learning system, and I'm going to give you so you can see and use all of this for yourself. I'm also offering you no questions asked money back guarantee. If you feel for any reason this e-learning marketing system is not for you, you can ask for a refund within 3 days of your purchase. And while you are on my site, feel free to explore all of the resources I provide to my members, including the more than 150 hours of step-by-step instructional video on the site. For example, let me show you the powerful online marketing techniques we use to drive more traffic to your website through Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. I'll show you how to laser target your email and direct mail so you reach only those prospects that you really want as your customers and dramatically increase your marketing ROI. In fact, I can show you a strategy you can use to send out your very own direct mail marketing campaign to more than 50,000 qualified prospects for free. I'll show you a paint by numbers template that will reveal the secrets to writing marketing and advertising that is so compelling it practically forces your prospects to buy what you sell. This template is so powerful and simple to use that I can hand it to a 6th grader and they will be able to write powerful marketing better than 95% of the copywriters available today. You will have full access to all of this and more during your trial period. So let's get started. All I want you to do is complete the short fast action application form. It only takes a minute. We do ask you to pay a least possible subscription fee to cover our costs to provide you with the more than 150 hours of streaming video you will gain access to. You will have full privileges to review these videos as often as you like during your trial. And if you don't feel your 3-day trial lives up to everything I have just said, let me know and I'll gladly refund your dollar at the end of your trial. And one more thing, I obviously want to prove myself to you during this 3-day trial in hopes you will remain a member in my program long term. I'm certain that when you see and experience everything I have included in this program for business owners like you, you will never want to be without these resources again. My normal membership fee for this unique program is only $197 per month. However, if you decide to purchase it right away, I'll reduce your ongoing membership fee to an incredible $97 per month, and you can cancel at any time or for any reason. There are no contracts for you to sign and no hidden setup fees to pay. If you ever feel I'm not helping you and your business make money, then I don't deserve your money. It's as simple as that. So don't wait. Click that atlantisbusinessacademy.com membership registration button right now and let's get started. I'll start you off with your $10,000 challenge and get you ramped up from there. Believe me, you are in for the experience of your life. Here's to your success.